Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Here we discuss all things about Magento development, and in this series that I called Learn Magento the Right Way, we are going to continue building our Magento 2 extension and learning new practices, development techniques on how we can leverage Magento and build e-commerce websites. If you are working with Magento 2 and need to add a custom template and render it on a page, you are in the right place. In this video, I will walk you through creating a PHTML template to render an empty message, adding it to layout XML file, and ensuring security by escaping a translated string with Magento's escaper class. So let's get started. On this page, we are going to render a list of products that were previously purchased by this particular customer. And first step is going to be a message rendered saying that there are no products ordered. So let's go ahead to our editor, and inside the view frontend directory, let's go ahead and create a directory where we will place our first template. So inside the templates directory, let's create a file called list.html, and here we are going to have our HTML markup that will render information or a message saying that you have purchased no products. And let's add this template into the layout configuration file, customer account orders products. Inside body XML tag, let's use reference container with the name content, and let's define a new block with the name Mage Mastery orders products list, and let's define a template that we will be using for rendering orders products and name of the template list.html. And let's flush or clean the cache. When we refresh the page, we have a new message added that is rendered from a list.html template. However, it's not the way how Magento templates or templates in a Magento 2 extension should look like. We also have to add a translation support for this text, and in order to do this, we can use two things. First one is an escaper class that we will use to escape HTML that is going to be placed here. But we also have to add a translation string, and in this way this message can be localized to different languages. However, since this is a function that may provide access for a hacker to render any other pieces of code, it's a good practice to escape such string with the help of escaper PHP class and escape HTML message. Once we do this, let's clean cache again. And if we refresh a page, we should still have this message saying you have purchased no products. And that's it. We've successfully created a PHTML template, added it to our layout XML file, and used Magento escaper class to ensure safe output. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell for more Magento 2 development tips. Shout out to our channel supporters on Patreon and YouTube member programs. If you would like to support this channel and get early access to videos, consider joining Patreon and YouTube membership. See you in the next one.